Mullen Automotive has entered into a settlement agreement with GEM Group. The terms include a 55-day due diligence period for GEM to evaluate the transfer of Mishawaka assets in complete satisfaction of the judgment. During this period, all collection activities have been suspended. Yet Mullen is continuing to expand its business and manufacturing capabilities in Tunica, Mississippi, to meet near and long-term demands for its multiple product lines. Mullen subsidiary, Bollinger Motors, has delivered a B4 Class 4 electric vehicle to the Lower East Side Ecology Center in New York City. The all-electric truck will be used for various environmental initiatives, including the city's longest-running compost program. Designed with extensive fleet and upfitter input, the Bollinger B4 offers unparalleled capability, maneuverability, and safety in urban operations. The vehicle has a range of 185 miles and a payload capacity of 7,325 pounds. The Lower East Side Ecology Center has been at the forefront of community-based models in urban sustainability since 1987. The organization offers services such as e-waste and composting, environmental stewardship opportunities, and educational programming to promote a more sustainable and resilient city for all New Yorkers. Earlier, Mullen received a $1.4 million order for 20 Class 3 electric vehicles from Cashflow on Wheels, an EV-focused logistics company that consolidates multi-state FedEx and Amazon delivery services. The Mullen 3 vehicles will be delivered in May for use on FedEx routes in Texas and Georgia, with the aim of transitioning traditional fleets to EVs and reducing the total cost of operations. Cashflow on Wheels, founded in 2023, is a logistics company based in Houston, Texas, with a focus on last-mile local delivery, and long-distance trucking and transportation solutions. Cashflow on Wheels' strength is in bringing new efficiencies and sustainability to last-mile delivery for FedEx and Amazon. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.